Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close the Binance account. If you are tired of using the Binance app and want to delete it, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button at the top, then simply select it. After selecting it, now tap onto your user ID just like this. Then here you can find the option of security. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll down and here you can find the option of manage account. Simply select it. Now here you can find the delete account option. Now to close your account, simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you need to choose one of the reasons to delete your account. Now choose one of these and then simply tap on to continue. After continuing it, your Binance account will be closed. And that's it. This is how you can close your Binance account. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.